Namaskar. Myself Vaishnav Bharat Sawant. Follow my page Life Science and Us. Okay, first of all, I'm going to help you in every subject of life science. First, we start with biochemistry, the most hard subject. Okay, so how the universe formed? It formed by the catalytic eruption of hot and energy-rich subatomic particles. So the simplest particle first formed were the helium and hydrogen. All of us know. Then the the eruption of hot, the substance melted, cooled down, and the stars formed. Slowly the stars, the heavy energy rich stars explode, and the energy gave to the simplest particles to form the complex one. These complex particles interact with, they mixed with each other and form the biomolecules. We all know what are the biomolecules, the basic of biochemistry. So the 15 to 20 billion ago the universe formed, and 4 billion ago the life arose in this universe. So this life were formed with these biomolecules. How and the processes is basically the biochemistry. So this simple microorganisms took the organic and the sunlight used to get the energy and form the life organisms. Okay, the first question biochemistry asks that how this non-living lifeless biomolecule get help in living organisms. This is the basic question and important one. Okay, this biochemistry composed of just 5 most foundation. Basically the chemistry and physics and genetics, environment, rest all. This cellular foundation, physical foundation, genetic foundation, chemistry foundation, and the evolution foundation. How it helps in the biochemistry and the living organisms to get the energy from biomolecules. Okay, so we start with cellular foundation. How the cellular foundation? So the simplest organism, the cellular one, the unicellular organisms, and the most complex, the multicellular organisms, it did common of protein and lipid portions. Okay, the transfer of all the elements out of the cell to the cell is done by the transport proteins. Okay, the peripheral part, they found to be the barrier of inorganic elements and the polar compounds. Okay, so this peripheral part only found to be the best the second is cytosol. Okay, cytosol are the cytoplasm, the volume, this aqueous volume of the of any cell. Okay, the rhizobiums, the rhizoproteins, the every cytoplasm. What is cytoplasm? It is the liqueous part in the cell. It is not the liqueous, it is almost the semi-liquid part. Okay, it forms the volume of cell, liqueous volume. Okay, the cytoplasm contains ribosomes, ribozymes and coenzymes. Okay, what is the coenzymes? It helps in the genetic part, the makeup, and the catabolic activity part words. Okay, this is the done. And the main genetic part. Okay, this DNA, RNA, it both present in unicellular and multicellular organisms, whereas in nucleoid in unicellular and the nucleus part in multicellular. Okay, there are 3 main domains in life. Okay, eukaryotes, archaebacteria, and eubacteria. We all know what are this. Okay, the main first cellular part found to be in earth are archaebacteria. This is most abundant. Okay, the second is found to be the eubacteria. It is the two bacteria found to be. And the third, eukaryotes, is the higher species organisms, multicellular cells. All organisms are two types, which are the autotrophs and chemotrophs. Autotrophs are the which use the light to form the energy and the food. Okay, autotrophs. And there are two type of organisms. Okay, like the autotrophs and chemotrophs. Chemotrophs contains the lithotrophs and organotrophs. Okay, autotrophs contain autotrophs and heterotrophs, organisms which get energy from light, and chemotrophs are the organisms which get their energy from chemicals. The second foundation are most important in biochemistry are chemistry foundation. Okay, chemical foundation are composed of the biomolecules such as the lipids, proteins, and DNA, RNA. Okay, this elements. So the chemistry, we know the chemistry starts and to carbon. Carbon is a substance found in every living non-living elements in the universe. Okay, the carbon have the ability to form the covalent bond with any particle, any element. Okay, so biochemistry composed of main proteins, lipids, and DNA, RNA. Okay, so this sugar, polysaccharide, polymers, the elements, the basically this all elements forms the biomolecules, and biomolecules biochemistry. So we all going to study this main. Next, the physical foundation. So how this carbon and the biomolecules interact with each other and form the living organism, the basic life. Okay, the elements get energy from the ATP form, and it is the physical foundation. The all the physical, the ATP generates the energy, get any biochemical energy. All the biomolecules interact with each other, but how the interaction gives the living organisms, it is the living. Okay, the physical foundation, it mainly composed of the energy from the sunlight, and sunlight it is taken by the microorganisms, and the organic compounds and the sunlight both form the biomolecules, and biomolecules the life. Fourth, the genetic foundation. Genetic foundation is composed of the DNA and RNA, which are we going to study. Fifth, evolutionary foundation. Okay, the every DNA, every RNA are bit change. 99.9% all the DNA are same, but 9.9% the DNA are different. How? The mutation occur in every level of the evolutionary. Okay, the mutations from the first generation to second, third, fourth, and the evolutionary change it only composed through mutations. So for further biochemistry information, follow my page, Life Science Centers.